I'm gonna sing This Christmas by Chris Brown.
Can you state your name, please? Your name and your age?
Michael, I'm 15.
You can face everybody else over there, not me. One more time, sir.
Michael, and I'm 15.
Okay, we have Michael up here. Michael Wynn, who's 15 years old. He's going to be singing This Christmas by Chris Brown. Let's give it up for Michael Wynn.
Backup dancer right there.
All the mistletoe, I'm gonna let you know you're better this Christmas. As I trim the tree, much fun it's gonna be together this Christmas. Fireside is blazing bright, and we're caroling through the night. Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me.
Sing it, Michael.
Presents and cards are here. Our world is filled with cheer and doom. This Christmas, and as I look around, their eyes are shining to town. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright, as we're caroling through the night. Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me.
Go, break it down. Shuffle.
This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright, and we're caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas.